Have you ever desired to enjoy Swedish genuine fika but don't know how to make cinnamon buns? Well, look no further. Here's the trick to it. First of all, start off by melting 150 grams of butter in a pot and crumble 50 grams of fresh yeast in a bowl of your liking. Add about half a teaspoon of salt and mix the salt and yeast together. The salt will eventually dissolve the yeast. Use fresh yeast for a sweet dough. Add 5 deciliters of milk to the butter and make sure the mixture gets about 37 degrees Celsius or lukewarm. Be careful to check the temperature, because too hot mixture will kill the yeast. Pour the liquid into the bowl and add 1 egg. Stir evenly. Add 1 deciliter of granulated sugar and 2 tablespoons of minced cardamom. Add a total of 800 grams of whole wheat flour to the mixture. Remember to save some of the flour for later, when it's time to roll out the dough.
Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you.
Mix the dough together until it feels smooth and start releasing from the sides of the bowl. The exact amount of flour may vary.
Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola.
Cover the bowl with cling film or a towel and let it rise in room temperature for about 40 minutes. Preheat the oven to 225 to 250 degrees of Celsius. After 40 minutes, place the rest of the flour on the worktop and release the dough from the bowl. To get a better workflow, divide the dough in 2 equal parts.
I know that we just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special.
Roll out each part of the dough to a thickness of about 5 millimeters. Spread out an even amount of butter on the surface. Add sugar and cinnamon in an even layer. Use about 1 deciliter of sugar for the total amount and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Roll the dough and divide it in several pieces, each about 2 centimeters thick. Place each piece with a cross-cut upwards in a paper form. Repeat the procedure with the second part of the dough. Cover the buns with a towel and let them proof for another 30 minutes. Use an egg to brush the top surface of the buns. Add pearl sugar to the surface. Bake the buns in the middle of the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. Almost there. Let the finished buns cool off underneath a towel and you're ready to go. Smaklig måltid!